Imagine stepping into a world where parenting is not just about guiding your children through life's ups and downs, but also about transforming yourself and your relationships along the way, where every challenge is an opportunity to foster deeper connections, and where understanding and empathy are your most powerful tools. If you're on the journey of parenthood, or considering embarking on this beautiful yet complex adventure, today's conversation with Dr. Becky Kennedy on the Huberman Lab podcast offers a refreshing perspective on how to navigate parenting and relationships with grace, understanding, and a strong sense of self. Here are some actionable insights. Embrace sturdiness in relationships. Cultivate the ability to remain connected to both yourself and others simultaneously. This balance fosters a healthy family dynamic and personal growth. Define and communicate boundaries clearly. Understand that effective boundaries are about actions you will take, not about controlling the actions of your child. This clarity helps maintain a respectful and nurturing environment. Practice empathy and validation. Acknowledge and validate your child's feelings without necessarily agreeing with their behavior. This approach helps build emotional intelligence and resilience in children. Engage in repair and apologies. Learn the art of repairing relationships after conflicts. A genuine apology can teach children about accountability, forgiveness, and the complexity of human emotions. Foster intrinsic motivation. Instead of relying heavily on external rewards, encourage activities and behaviors that promote a sense of internal satisfaction and accomplishment. This builds long-term resilience and self-motivation. In this enlightening episode of the Huberman Lab podcast, Dr. Becky Kennedy explores the nuances of contemporary parenting and its impact on all aspects of life. She introduces the vital concept of sturdiness in parenting, a harmonious blend of adhering to personal values while being attuned to our children's needs and emotions. Dr. Kennedy posits that this balanced approach builds a secure foundation, empowering children to face their emotions and the world with confidence and resilience. Dr. Kennedy critiques conventional disciplinary methods, suggesting that a shift towards a more empathetic understanding of children's behaviors can lead to more positive outcomes. By encouraging parents to see beyond the surface of bad behavior and to recognize the inherent goodness in their children, she promotes a parenting style that is both nurturing and empowering. The podcast further explores the application of these parenting principles to a broader context, including romantic relationships and workplace environments. Dr. Kennedy emphasizes the universality of empathy, clear communication, and understanding as key components in fostering healthy and fulfilling relationships. She provides listeners with practical advice on setting boundaries, validating emotions, and navigating conflicts with compassion and empathy. Listeners are offered a wealth of knowledge on improving parenting techniques and relationship dynamics, with Dr. Kennedy drawing on her extensive experience in clinical psychology to offer insights that are both theoretically sound and practically applicable. Through her discussion, Dr. Kennedy not only addresses the challenges of parenting in today's complex world, but also offers a roadmap for building stronger, more connected relationships across all areas of life.